Hey WordPress pros, Andrea here, your insider on the wild ride of running a WordPress agency. Join me as I spill the secrets on mastering WordPress design like a pro. Today we're diving into a game changer for agencies that juggle multiple projects, and that is, drumroll please, InstaWP. Okay, let's be real. Managing multiple client websites can feel like herding cats. You heard me right. Kinsta reports that 60% of agencies struggle with burnout and inefficiency from juggling client projects. And I was no exception. And if you are a freelancer, you know what I mean. Between updates, testing, and client communication, I was stuck in a time warp, losing about $2,000 annually due to delays and mismanagement. I know, that is pretty bad, right? And then I discovered InstaWP, the secret sauce to managing multiple client projects. It's indeed the holy grail for agencies with tight deadlines. InstaWP has helped my agency boost productivity by 50% and save up to $2,000 annually. And let's break down how it does that. Okay, first of all, it has one-click access. So forget scrolling through a mountain of tabs like we're looking for Waldo. With InstaWP, it's like having a VIP access to your project. One click and you're right where you need to be. No treasure map required whatsoever. And get this, there's an option to enable auto updates for core files, plugins, and themes. This means that you can kiss those manual updates goodbye. Plus, you can bulk update everything with just one click. Just one click. I saved at least 10 hours each month on updates only, which translates, of course, to more time for client calls and, of course, creative brainstorming. And then there's update scheduling. So picture this, you can set updates to roll out while you sip your coffee, just like that. So schedule those updates, kick back, and let InstaWP handle the heavy lifting for you. No more late night updates and panic sessions. Oh, but we're only getting started here. With bulk theme plugin updates, you can tackle multiple updates in one go, just like a boss. It's like a buffet of updates, and you can feast without the stress of choosing. Just one click and voila, your sites are sparkling clean. And who doesn't love one-click plugin theme updates, right? It's like the easy button for WordPress. Click it and boom, your projects are as up to date as your favorite meme. Quick and painless, just how we like it. Okay, now let's not forget user management. Ever felt like herding cats? I don't know why the expression, but have you? Well, with InstaWP, you can assign roles and permissions like a pro. It's smooth sailing as you keep your team on track. So no more who's responsible for this mess kind of drama while handling multiple sites. Okay, so are you worried about security? I think we should all be these days, right? But fear not, the vulnerability scanner is here to save the day. It's like having a security guard at your virtual door, ensuring everything is secure and safe. You can rest easy knowing that your client sites are in good hands. Do you need to tweak site configurations maybe? No sweat. InstaWP's configuration manager is your magic wand for effortlessly adjusting settings across thousands of sites. Just a couple of clicks and you're in the clear, leaving you with more time to dazzle your clients and perfect your coffee game. Okay, let's chat about multiple staging sites. Imagine spinning up test environments faster than a squirrel on espresso. I mean, imagine. This game-changing feature lets agencies create staging sites on the fly, experiment, tweak, and test updates without touching the client site, live site. Fewer headaches, less downtime, and the ability to juggle more projects simultaneously. Plus, with InstaWP's two-way sync, your changes reflect in real time, just like magic. No more waiting whatsoever. Your updates are as fresh as your morning brew, and that helps keeping your team and clients perfectly in sync. So there you have it. If you're juggling a mountain of websites and want to deliver perfection every single time, InstaWP's site management features are your golden ticket. So if you're ready to turn project chaos into seamless success, give InstaWP a whirl. And here's the cherry on top. Use the code YouTube50 to grab a sweet 50% off your monthly plan for 6 months. More savings are just a click away. And this is your chance to streamline your work and enjoy that well-deserved coffee break. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on managing your WordPress agency like a pro. See you in the next one.